Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to cover fundamental rights. Here, I cannot say that this video is only for particular category students because every individual living in India should know about their basic fundamental rights. And it's like when we ask some random guy about fundamental rights, they'll say yes, we have 6 fundamental rights and all. But when we ask what are those, he may not be able to answer. So here I made a small effort by making a presentation of all the fundamental rights with little basic information which makes you easy to understand. So let's get into the video. Here we have 6 fundamental rights which are equality, freedom, exploitation, freedom of religion, educational and cultural rights, and constitutional remedies. So here I am giving a basic information of every right. So first we are going to cover right to equality. So next will be a few points regarding it. Just go through it. First is equality before law, and next one is social equality and equal access to public areas, and third one is in the matters of public employment and abolition of untouchability and of titles. So next is right to freedom. Right to freedom covers 6 important points which are very important for the LLB exams also. So let's go through it. And the next right is right against exploitation, which is one of the important right. So some of the points regarding it are given in the upcoming PPTs, so go through it. And the next one is going to be right to freedom of religion. So there are few points, very important and basic points that I've covered in upcoming PPTs. So go through that also. You can pause the video anytime and you can make a notes of it if you are preparing for exams and your portion is going to cover this. And the next right is cultural and educational rights, which are very important nowadays to know. So it covers Article 29 and 30, which are minority rights. And the next right is going to be constitutional remedies. In this, if any person violates any of fundamental rights, you can file a writ against that person under Article 32 of Indian constitutional law by following these remedies, by following these rights. And thank you for watching my video completely. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and support. Do share it with your friends. Thank you.